Hi friends, today I am sharing the recipe of banana smoothie using 4 ingredients. The recipe is so simple, it's easy and tasty. So let's begin and let me talk about the ingredient and procedure. So what we need is 4 pieces of bananas. We will cut it, 2 cups of dry milk. Along with that, we will use sugar. I am adding half cup, but exact recipe required 1 cup of sugar, half cup of cream. So I have cut the bananas into pieces. Now I will add the remaining 3 ingredients in that and blend it. So after blending, you will get this texture. You don't need to add water in it. You can check the smoothness and texture. Pour the batter into an airtight bowl. Cover with a lamination sheet or a polythene sheet. Put in fridge for almost 4 hours. After 4 hours, you will get this stage. It's almost semi-freezed. This is the perfect time to blend it again. So I am using the electric beater. You have to blend it for 7 to 8 minutes and again you will put in the airtight box and leave it for 4 to 5 hours in a fridge. This is the exact required creaminess that we need. Level it. After 5 to 6 hours, you will get this smoothness. This is exact required smoothness. Like this banana smoothie is so easy and so creamy. That's it. It's ready to serve. So guys, it's too easy, too creamy and so tasty. I hope so you will try this recipe and after trying, please let me know in our comment section how was your experience with this. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. I'll meet you in the next video with some new recipe. Till then, you have to take care of yourself and goodbye.